Matata. Hello. Hello. Thank you for my strawberry cake, my auntie. Thank you so much, my love. Yes, darling. Donna'S auntie. Lord, look on it now. Sure. Yes. Shall I do not use all that stuff that y'all be using? I just go straight for it, so hey, you be calm this year. Nothing ain't dropping on no floor. What you say, auntie? What you talking about, girl? This stuff is good, honey. I don't like sharing, though. Look at this. So good. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't want to hear nothing. I believe in what I believe in. This just another year on them, auntie. Another year on them, sweetheart. God bless your fingers. Like I said the other year. You know what I mean? All the noise. Bless up yourself, y'all, auntie. All the noise. I heard you gonna be in some Walmart soon. I don't know. I heard through the grapevine. Look, they mad. I'm happy, honey. Ooh. Make sure that y'all gonna go get y'all Nyam strawberry cake, baby, because it's hitting for something. I'm trying to tell y'all. What y'all talking about? Tell my auntie I said big up herself. I ain't giving myself no trouble. Big up ourselves. God knows. Auntie, God bless you. God bless you, darling. Me know why I said God bless you. Need I say more? Look at it. Need I say more? No, I don't. I don't say nothing. All I know, the devil is a liar. And baby, this old Nyam kid right here, it's hitting. I ain't lying. Shelly, thank you. I got it, babe. This thing hitting. And when I tell y'all that it came through, besides what I did, when I tell y'all it came through just like that, look at that. That's God's hands right there. What you talking about? Y'all be so mad. Yes, honey. Thank you, auntie. I love you so much, lady. The Lord Jesus Christ of Nazareth know. And he know what I say all the time. Bless her hands, Jesus. Bless her hands. Bless your hands, auntie. Oh, yeah. You want some? I don't share. This is why I don't like to share, because when I eat with my spoon, I don't think nobody wants to bother my stuff on how I'm eating it. I love this, auntie. I like the other ones last year, but this one right here, this strawberry. They be so oh my Jesus. Lord, I thank you, Jesus. Thank you for my beautiful auntie, Lord, and every recipe you done give her, Jesus. Because the Lord knows. Never failed me yet. Oh, yes. Every morning. See, if I don't eat it off today, Every morning I'm going to come out here and have me a slice, honey. Yes, I am. Me not do nothing. I just saw me eat my damn bad cake then. Yeah. This thing is good, y'all. I swear to God, it's good. If y'all ain't get yours yet, go on and get yours. You know, black people don't like to talk and eat at the same time, especially when something good. And I'm talking about the smell and everything. Look at that. Lord, why they be doing that? And as soon as it comes to people's place, and then it look, and then it tastes like this, what can they tell people? They can't tell people nothing, Jesus. All you gotta do is just keep on blessing our hands, and that's it. Keep on blessing our hands. Hands good with my stuff. I love my auntie hand. Never failed me yet. I ain't no food expert, but I can tell you if something very good or not. Honey, it's good. One part I don't like is the fact that I gotta be considerate and I gotta share. I don't like stuff like that. I just like to have mine to myself. Sit down. What's wrong? If I tell y'all I got my same stuff from last year, like the little pan, like the little thing that come in, would y'all believe me? Cause I do. Like stuff like this from my auntie. I don't throw it out. I don't throw nothing out. This strawberry is good, honey. Ooh-wee. Why, y'all ain't got your cake yet? Get the order. Get your number cake for Christmas. You and your family enjoy it. Like I'm enjoying mine. But I only come out here to tell my auntie, thank you, baby. I appreciate you, love. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, woo. You know, I'm trying to be cute about the situation because I don't want to go all over it. And then in case I feel like sharing something. And then they only going to get about this much. Sister, what, sister? Hey, mamas. Yeah, you caught me. How you doing, my love? I just come out here, mama, to tell my auntie, my beautiful Donna'S auntie, with her God bless hands, thank you. I said, Lord, if I don't come out here and tell her thank you, and God bless her hands this year, because I'll be busy, it ain't going to be right. I'm going to cut into it and tell her. Yeah, it's really good. I swear to God, it's good. I wouldn't be sitting right here. Happy holidays to you too. Thank you. Meatball. Ain't nothing. Appreciate you, baby. Auntie, I ain't gonna lie to you, Auntie. Man, you got some hands on you. I ain't gonna lie. Sister Shirley, thank you, darling. Oh, man. I ain't lying. This thing gonna be gone. I ain't gonna tell y'all how. It's gonna be gone though. There ain't nothing to say. Auntie, you know what time it is, honey. Keep getting up on God's hour and keep your mixing going with that rhythm that you got, sweetie. And may the good Lord bless your fingers, bless your mind, give you some more remedy. And anything you got, I'm buying it. There ain't nothing to it. This thing right here is good. I ain't gonna lie to you. Look at that. I hope y'all doing all right today. Cause me, I'm happy, honey. Every year, I need to be content. I need to be happy, just like this. And Lord, you've been working in my favor. Cause that merch get here. You know, my coconut, I love you, coconut, but I think, you know, this strawberry, I don't know, it said, move over a little bit, give me room. I wanted this strawberry, honey. I wish I could have bought a juice from her too. I haven't tasted her drinks as yet. Auntie, I love you. And I want you to know that respect goes to you the long way, not the short way. And I will forever be a customer and a supporter. Auntie, you made me tell my business that I love to eat with big spoons. But I don't mind. Because this is good. Sister, this... Huh? See that? I'm being very nice and considerate. See that? Yes. Wow. Oh. This thing good. I'm gonna take one more little piece of you, and then I'm gonna wrap it back up. Maybe not like, oh, it was wrapped before, but I'm gonna wrap it back up and I'm gonna put it right back where it was here. That means that nobody can get none. One more little piece. The whole corner yassa, from yassa to yassa, is mine. The rest, yeah, I can't share that out. I'm not gonna feel too bad. But if I give it out now, I'm about me to share nothing. No, I gotta sit with my 10 cross. What you mean? Anybody want to hush me up, all I'm have to do is just give me my auntie cake, and that's it. Yeah. And wait. So you're supposed to clean these things out and then you put it back together. See, this spoon not gonna work, you know, so you have to use your hand. Watch that. When I do things for camera, if Auntie have a store, I stand up right by her store and eat it and don't look for nobody. What? Mm-hmm. Yeah. You know, so last year I just clean the plate. But I'm not going to do that because somebody I going to be little if you want some. This one. This is just ping ping. Don't mind me. I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying my strawberry. Yup. Okay, thank God now. Auntie, this thing busting, babe. It's busting. I ain't gonna lie to you. I can't tell you what because I ain't been to Jamaica. I don't know what Jamaica like. But I could tell you this. You always put me in that old memory. Or some memory, I don't know. But it's good. That's why I love you so much, Auntie. Because you the only one. Clean, nice. The little cake is moist and just the aroma. Now while I talk to him, I'm going to just sit some on the side so I can. And I'm not ashamed of it because guess what? It's my money. Nothing don't need to follow. I love my auntie so much. She's so the bomb. You're lit, auntie. This strawberry cake right here. Hold on. Yes, sir. Yes, babe. You got this thing going on, auntie. I don't know what nobody talking about. Yeah, baby. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate your business. Oh, I appreciate your business, auntie. I'll unravel it, come back out, do my own little thing, and I'll be eating my cake. And I'm taking some for my lunch tonight. Child, they can't talk to me. I mean this. Lord, another year. Bless her again. She done did it. She did it, Lord. She did it. I don't know if this is the way it was wrapped. But however. And I go through the same procedure. You know what I mean? I'm appreciative. I swear to God. I am appreciative, darling. To God be the glory, great things he has done. Keep on blessing our hand, Jesus. Yes, that's what I said. Yeah. When you go like this, and you just get that taste, it just go through your mouth. That's right. That's what I like. Never failed me yet. Yes, boss lady. That's what I'm talking about. Make sure that y'all go and get y'all Nyam cake. Make sure that y'all try out the strawberry. All right? Good. This is good. And then that little aftertaste is just like this island buzz in your mouth. I love it. This is what I'm talking about. You know, so I'm like a foreign kid, you know. And it's kind of hard to please us. But when I tell you this is bussin', that's what I mean. It's bussin' over here. I love it. And I'm grateful. And may the good Lord continue to bless your hands. And anything that you do, whatever it is that you do, just know that God bless you, auntie. And I love and appreciate you so much. One ping ping, one boss lady to the flipping world. She know exactly who she is. You understand? love that, baby. I don't know. See, and I was going to eat my banana cake with it, but I had to eat all of that. So on my going, I was eating it. But it really wasn't mine. I just ordered it for someone, but I partake in it. But I definitely don't want nobody to partake in my strawberry cake. But I know I'm going to have to share it out. You know what I'm saying? But before that, I had to take my strikes. I had to take my hits. This is the spoon that I've been waiting for. And this is the spoon that I'm going to come back out and eat with honey. It's good. When I'm talking to my auntie, I don't like to go out of the realm of that. But I'm telling you, the devil is a liar and the Lord is good. And I appreciate my auntie all the way from over here in the foreign lands. You understand me? And that's just how I roll. Yeah. I'm going to go put this sweetheart back right there where it belongs. Don't have a problem with the way I eat my stuff. Go ahead and get y'all y'all forks and knives and be cute about it. Me, I'm going to have to stay the same way. Ping is just ping. Next time y'all see this, the whole corner be gone. Then I'm going to skyscrape my plate when I'm done. Auntie, I appreciate you. I'll be hollering back at you. Order's going to go in again. And you know I want my coconut still on the side, but I love on you. God bless your hands. God bless your kitchen. And everybody who help you out in the kitchen. All those people. And everything is great over here. Everything is good. I love it. Do you taste this, Jesus? Taste it, Lord. Taste it. Do you hear what I'm saying? That's how come I know ping is real, Lord. There you go. Me and you on the same vibe. Jesus, thank you. Listen, I love on y'all, right? I have to go now because I got some things that I have to take care of. But I come out here just definitely. Like I would have eaten the whole thing if I had more time on my hand with y'all and just sit and chit chat and talk to you guys. But I can't do that because I'm an ambitious type of person and I have to stay on the move and I have to stay on the go, right? But I wouldn't be ping if I didn't come out here and eat and chime and talk to y'all for a second and tell y'all to tell her thank you. And I really, really appreciate it. I'm not a talkative person if I'm not being the ping that y'all can't stand. But love is love. Huh? Caring is sharing. Sharing is caring. Sister, share with who? I don't like to do that. I don't feel like I should. I feel like I should take off this much and be like, ooh, taste this. Don't y'all want to buy one? But I don't feel like I should give away mines. Nobody never give me none of them for them one. I love this. Sister, I'm not sharing with nobody. And I done kissed it already. And when I did that, that means it ain't supposed to leave my side. Don't nobody want that. They're going to want their own. And I just leave a little part.